Yes.
Hello there foodie, it's your girl Clenam and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to cook a quick and easy one, and that is garden egg asanka abomu. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. The ingredients that we need are some garden eggs, momoni, which is basically fermented fish, some koobi, which is salted tilapia, my pepper, my tomatoes, some onion, and my palm oil. As usual, all the ingredients and their quantities will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to kind of roast my tomatoes on fire, which is kind of optional. You can do without if you're not comfortable with it, but it's just bring that sort of smokiness to the dish, which is why I chose to pre-roast them. So done with that, we're going to chop one onion, basically slice it, not really chop, but just slice it. We're going to use it to fry the palm oil later on. It's now time for our salted tilapia, and what we're going to do is to try to get rid of all the parts that we don't need. I am going to leave the tail on because I feel it looks better. The most important thing is to remember to open the belly and take out all the salt that was put in there. And when I'm done with that, I'm just going to wash my salted tilapia, and then I'm going to cook it together with the garden eggs without adding any salt, because we're trying to get rid of as much as salt as possible from this salted tilapia. When it comes to the tilapia, I'm just going to leave it in the water to cook for just 10 minutes, after which I'm going to take it out and leave the garden eggs to cook till they are soft and tender enough to grind, and that will take about 15 minutes. Now let's grind our pepper, and I'm going to start with half of the second onion, going to add a little bit of salt and my pepper. And when it comes to the salt, we have to take it easy because everything is salted here. The tilapia is salted, the momoni too, and so on. And when it comes to the tomatoes, as you can see, I'm taking off some of the seed because I'm lazy and I don't want to grind all those seeds, and also because I like my pepper to be pulpy. So taking out the seed is going to make it less fluid. So after we are done with the grinding, let's now go check on our garden egg and the koobi. And as you can see, they're ready. And I actually peeled the garden egg to make it much more easier to grind. The following step is going to be the palm oil, which I already put on the fire, as you can see, on a medium to low heat. And I'm going to fry my fermented fish before I grind it in the pepper. Now, if you do not have fermented fish, or it is not your thing because it really stinks, you can use salted peanut butter. It has a more delicate taste, but it does the work. And if you choose to use the peanut butter, please do not fry it in the palm oil. Just throw it directly into the asanka and then grind it together with the pepper. So as you can see, I'm pre-frying my tilapia, and then I'm going to add my onion on the side and let the onion caramelize. And this is all going to cook on a medium to low heat whilst I continue grinding my pepper. We're almost there, and this is the point where we're going to join forces. So I'm going to add my fried palm oil to my grinded pepper together with the garden egg and everything. And I'm going to just drop my salted tilapia in there, and I'm going to garnish with some fresh onion, some avocado, some eggs, and our abomu will be ready to be enjoyed with whatever you please. Do not ask me how two eggs became just one. So as you can see, our abomu is ready. It was quite easy, right? And it doesn't just look delicious, but it tastes delightful as well. The classics to have with this are some plantain or yam or cocoa yam. But I had mine with some fanti kenke. Do not judge me. Let me know in the description box below what you paired with your abomu. And I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Thanks for stopping by. But before you go, do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, sharing with your friends. And hey, let me also know what you think about these recipes in the comment section below. Till next time, it's bye-bye for now.